In lesson number 6, we explored key concepts in database design and management. Now, in lesson number 7, we continue our journey by delving into the architecture of database systems and how applications interact with them. Database and application architecture. Overview of database system components. We'll start by providing a comprehensive view of the various components that constitute a database system. This includes the core elements that make up the system's architecture. Centralized database system. We'll illustrate the architecture of a centralized database system using Figure 1.3 as a reference point. This centralized model is typically seen in shared memory server architectures. Scalability considerations. We'll discuss how shared memory server architectures, although suitable for many scenarios, have limitations in terms of scalability. To address this, we'll introduce the concept of parallel databases designed to run on clusters of multiple machines. Additionally, we'll touch upon the concept of distributed databases that enable data storage and query processing across geographically separated machines. Modern computer systems. Exploring modern computer systems. Here, we'll take a closer look at the structures and components of modern computer systems. This understanding is crucial as it forms the foundation for efficient query processing in database systems. Parallel system architectures. We'll emphasize the significance of parallel system architectures in the context of database processing. These architectures play a pivotal role in optimizing database operations. Query processing in parallel and distributed databases. Implementing query processing. We'll dive into how query processing can be implemented to leverage parallel and distributed processing. This includes discussing the challenges and solutions associated with handling transactions in such environments. Key issues. We'll outline several critical issues, such as data storage, ensuring atomicity across multiple sites, concurrency control, and maintaining high availability in the face of system failures. Application architecture. Database applications partitioning. This slide focuses on the architecture of applications that utilize databases as their backend. We'll present the idea that database applications can be partitioned into 2 or 3 distinct parts, illustrating architectures. We'll use Figure 1.4 to illustrate both the traditional 2-tier architecture, where the application resides at the client machine, and the modern 3-tier architecture, where the client machine acts as a front end communicating with an application server and a database system. Advantages of 3-tier. We'll highlight the advantages of 3-tier architectures, especially in terms of security and performance when compared to the older 2-tier model. In lesson number 7, we've explored the intricate architecture of database systems and the interactions of applications with them. Understanding these architectural principles is fundamental to mastering database design and management. As we move forward, remember the significance of centralized, parallel, and distributed systems, and the advantages of modern 3-tier application architectures. Thank you for joining us in unraveling the complexities of database and application architecture.